Good morning, first grade. Happy Friday. Happy Friday the 13th. I hope you're having a great day so far. It is Friday, November 13th, 2020. It is the 52nd day of school, so I have wrong way. I have added a penny to our two quarters, so we have 25, 50, 51, 52. Today, your special is Maker at 11:45. And we have some different things going on today, so why don't we go ahead and do the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll talk about the day. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so our puzzle for today is what you see on the back where it says aid, 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 and there is an arrow pointing to one of them. So see if you can figure out what that means. Now, we won't have our live class today like normal because of the end of the trimester assessments that I've been talking about. Oh, lights turned off. But I will be sure to share the answer to this, either on the Monday morning message or on our Monday live call. All right, so as I mentioned today, we will not have our regularly scheduled live classes because we'll be meeting one-on-one throughout the day for the end of the trimester assessment. So I appreciate your flexibility today, and hopefully we can just take today and take care of it and then get back back to normal on Monday. So again, thank you for your patience and flexibility with that. So this morning at 9, every first grader will get an activity sent with the time and the link to join the Google Meet for the end of the trimester assessment. If you'd like to bring just your dry erase sleeve and marker with you in case you wanted to work out, one of the math problems or something, but it's really just I'll be sharing my screen. You'll be answering some things for me from the screen, and you won't have anything that you have to turn in or write and send. But if you wanted to have either a scrap paper or dry erase sleeve with you, just to help you if you wanted to work out any of the problems, feel free to bring that. All right, so let me know if you have any questions about the time or what to do or anything like that, or if the time that I've sent you doesn't work. I did try to keep it, before, during, and after our normal live calls so that we could hopefully it would fit in okay with your normal school day, but just let me know if it does not work for you. And I look forward to seeing everybody today. All right, then the second thing going on today is that it is the supply box pickup day. So it is still going on. I know, you may have heard that the rest of the classes have moved to virtual, but we will still have our normal supply box pickup as planned today from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. They'll be out on the tables in boxes just like last time. And if you could please return the Wit and Wisdom books. So that Book Woman, Waiting for the Biblioboro, and Green Eggs and Ham, that would be great. Okay, so for the activities today, everything will just come out this morning at 9 o'clock. So, feel free to kind of work through it at your own pace today, whatever works best for you. Here is a quick rundown of everything that you'll see. One will be a deep dive for reading. Another will be a Kahoot practicing the math like we normally do on Fridays. You'll also see a math lesson. So it's a little bit longer of a video that goes through the math lesson that would have been today. And then you can complete the problem set, take a picture of it, and submit it with that activity. All right, but it will be, going through the lesson as we would if we were online. It's just a recorded video that I've made. Okay, and then the other thing will be uh, an activity and a video explaining the focusing task question that goes along with green eggs and ham. And then there will be an activity that you will complete. That's all in one activity, doing the final writing task for green eggs and ham. Okay, and lastly, there will be an activity explaining the portrait. We've been working on those smaller portrait pictures where you drew a picture of Tomas, you drew a picture of Cal, and today you'll be drawing a picture of the man in Sam I Am. And the directions are all on there, so you'll go back and grab that paper that you had already had. And that will be the assignments for today. So again, no live class, but I will see everybody individually. And just let me know if you have any questions. You can email, send me a Seesaw message. And as I mentioned, thanks again for your flexibility today. And I hope everybody has a really, really great weekend. And we'll be back to, completely normal schedule come Monday. All right, take care. Thank you.